Dull-edged blades to be are called blanks. At this stage of the process, the stainless steel is very soft, as pliable as paper, so they now harden and strengthen it through a 4-step heat treatment process. Step 1. They heat the blanks in a furnace to just over 2000 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 seconds. Step 2. They briefly submerge them in cold water. This is called quenching. Step 3. They chill them for about 20 seconds in a deep cooling chamber at a temperature of -58 Fahrenheit. All this progressively restructures the molecules, hardening the metal. However, the metal becomes brittle, necessitating reheating the blanks for 20 seconds. The now hard blanks then move through a printer, which applies the Razer Blade brand name. Gas flames instantly dry the wet ink.